Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a PDF in Behance. Now you need to understand that currently Behance doesn't have the option of uploading the PDFs directly from your account. So there is a workaround that you can use for it. So you need to simply create your account here on Scribed. So when you create your account here, simply click on the option of upload. Now, after selecting the document to upload option, you just have to simply upload your document here. Now, once your document is uploaded successfully, simply hover to your profile icon, then click on the option of your uploaded documents. So over here, you are going to see the list of the documents that you have uploaded. So I've uploaded this particular PDF, so I'm just going to simply click on it. Now over here, you will be shown the option of embed. So you simply click on the embed option. Now from here you just have to copy this iframe code. So when you click on it, it is going to basically selected. So you just have to press Ctrl+C on your keyboard in order to basically copy this. So once it is copied successfully, you need to come here on Behance, then click on the option of share profile. Now over here, when you select the option of share work, you are going to see the option of embed. So simply click on that and paste that particular iframe code that we have just copied from Scribed. After doing this, you just have to hit embed, and as you can see, our PDF is now available. So here it is going to look something like this. So you just have to simply click on the option of publish in order to publish this particular PDF on your Behance portfolio. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.